Hi, I'm Dave Parker, Master Plumber and CEO of ER Plumbing Services, here to talk to you about toilet repairs and replacements. We know a lot about toilets, from repairs of older toilets to installation of high-end, eco-friendly, or smart home toilets. If it's clogged, we can unclog it. If it leaks, we can replace it. If it's running or phantom flushing, we make it flush the right way. Basically, if your toilet is giving you trouble of any sort, we can fix it or replace it for you. For example, do you have one of those old toilets that you have to flush 3 times just to get everything down? We can set you up with a low flush toilet that can actually flush a couple dozen golf balls at once, all while using less water than the average toilet. Need a simple repair? We can help you with that too. When you need a Charlotte toilet repair or replacement and reliable service at affordable prices, look no further. We've been fixing toilets in Charlotte since 1997. To schedule service, call ER Plumbing today, 704-846-5371, or you can visit us at erplumbing.com, where you're serviced once, client for life.